Today, we're diving into a game changer for productivity in the digital age: keyboard shortcuts. Imagine having a superpower at your fingertips, commands that can help you navigate your tasks more efficiently. From quick ways to move between tabs to shortcuts for managing your bookmarks, these tricks can revolutionize your workflow. The thing is, many of these shortcuts go unnoticed. By using them, you can increase your productivity and reduce the strain caused by repetitive motions. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks or managing bookmarks, understanding these shortcuts can streamline your daily routine. Let's explore some key combinations that will save you tons of time. So, what are keyboard shortcuts? Keyboard shortcuts are specific combinations of keys that execute commands. Some work across all systems, like Ctrl+C for copy, while others are specific to certain applications. Knowing these differences can help you make the most of your keyboard shortcuts. We've got a full list in our blog. Just click the link in the description to get them for free. While keyboard shortcuts are a fantastic start, there's more you can do to boost your productivity. Our IT consulting services can take your efficiency to the next level. We analyze your workflows, identify bottlenecks, and implement solutions tailored to your needs. Plus, we offer training to ensure your team knows the best practices for working efficiently. Remember, keyboard shortcuts are just the beginning. To unlock your full potential, schedule a consultation with our IT consulting service today. We'll help you streamline tasks and elevate your business performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.